Why buy Bitcoin? This video is a comprehensive guide for those who are just starting in crypto. That's for beginners. And if you know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and you don't know how to explain to your friends and your loved ones, this video is the right one for you. Welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel Cryptonoid. So firstly, you have to understand the characteristics of good money. And the first characteristic of good money is durability, which means how long it can last. The second one is portability, like it has to be small. How small can it move from one place to another? The cost of moving it from one place to another, rather. So third one is divisibility. You need something that can go down in small amounts. For example, if you want to buy a cup of coffee in a shop, you can't cut down tiny amount of gold to pay. You can't just cut it. But with digital money you can like do that. And another one is uniformity. It has to be very similar in terms of dollar, like uniform to other currency, in simplest term. And another characteristic of good money is limited supply. So the US dollar is bad. They continue to print more money. And when you look at other countries, when you look at other currencies, they are even worse. So that's where we get inflation, which is devaluing your money over time. So you have to understand that. So now taking a look at Bitcoin, there is a limited supply of Bitcoin. So, and there are about 21 million in existence. And every 4 years, the issuance or inflation of Bitcoin gets cut in half. And that is where we get Bitcoin halving. So it's hard coded. Anyone can check out the code, and it's becoming more scarce rather. It's a finite asset. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin halving chart. The rewards that miner gets, the inflation of Bitcoin gets cut in half. And don't forget that there's only 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist. So now the first halving took place at 2012, and 365 days before the halving, it went up 385 percentage, and 365 days after the halving, it went up 8,069%. You can see. So the next halving happened at around 2016 because it happens every 4 years. So we saw that before the halving. Then after the halving, it went up a lot. The last halving was around 2020, and 365 days before the halving, it went up 17%, and 365 days after the halving, it went up a lot. So this affects the price of Bitcoin. If you understand the basics of economics, if the supply of an asset keeps increasing, there will be inflation. The purchasing value will go down over time. Or if it gets reduced, the purchasing power of that asset go up over time. So get that into your mind. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, kindly subscribe. Turn on that notification bell down below. Like this video if you find it informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.